Hello guys, welcome to Cool Tips 237, where you can ease your online journey and make some cool cash in the process. So today I'll be talking about how to buy crypto from Binance P2P using MTN mobile money. If you check in the channel, you'll notice I've made this video before, but some few things have changed in the Binance P2P settings. So I'll be updating you guys in this video on that. So first things, if you don't have a Binance account, link to Binance is in the description below. Use that link and sign up. And please do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that each time I drop a video, you'll be the first to see it. And leave a thumbs up for the video. And if you have any questions, leave in the comment section below. All you have to do is head over to Binance. Click on your application. When it loads, you will see these options here. You can either click on P2P on the screen over here, or you can click on trades below and go there. So I'll just click on P2P here. So now, as you can see here, mine is saying ZAF over here, but if yours is not showing ZAF over here, all you have to do is click on this ZAF place here, and then you fill in the currency you wish to fill in here. So let me just head back to ZAF, and then here you can see these are the merchants here. These are the merchants, and then and their prices and range and all that. So I'll be buying USDT. If you are buying BTC ETH, you can just click on the USDT there, the drop down. As you can see here, these are the coins these are the coins you can purchase over here: BTC, FD, USD, BNB, ETH, DAI. If there's a merchant selling this out here, you certainly get the price for it. Then you can come here, click on amounts, fill in the range of amounts which you wish to buy from. So let's say from 10k upward. Then you click on confirm. It will filter these amounts here so that you have a good range of the people. As you can see here, the first trader here, C-Town, he has done over 2006 trades. Then he has a completion rate of 97.40. So, and he's using MTN mobile money. So as you can see here, there are different merchants using different alternatives. Some of them use Orange Money, but for now, as you can see, many of them are using MTN mobile money. So let's head over to this first trader here. He has a good completion rate, and he has over 99% thumbs up, and his time frame is 15 minutes. So let's hit on buy here, and then here you fill in the amounts which you wish to buy with. So I'll just hit in 15,000 francs. So now you'll be buying 22.36 of USDT, which in fiat currency is 15,000 francs. So I'll just hit on buy. So here you hit on this chart here, and head into the chart. Then they say welcome, float plus half float fee. This is Henry Alima Abdul, or cash out payment before market trade. So let's just say hey, and wait for him to reply. Okay, the person has replied. So now it's asking for a number, so let me just fill in the number So now that I have sent the number, he will initiate the transfer, because now on the Binance P2P you can't send directly um to the number of merchants on here. Many of them have to initiate the transfer, then you just fill in your password, your MOMO pin, and execute the transfer to them. So now let's wait for him to initiate the transfer. Okay, as you can see here, they say beware 15,000 francs to be withdrawn from your account. So as you can see here, let me pause this video, fill in my pin, and they will continue. Okay, as you can see here, you have approved transaction of this, that, and then transaction rights and all that. Click on OK, and then you come here, and then you click on, as you can see here, MTN just sent me a message that it has been transferred. So now I just have to come here, click on make payments, and then I click on make payments, and then I click on transfer notify seller, so that the person will know that I have already sent the money, so that I can release my USDT. So I'll just click on transfer notify seller, then and wait for him to approve it. As you can see here, they say you have marked the order as paid. Please wait for seller to confirm and release the assets. As you can see here, the P2P order completed. Okay, as you can see here, the money has been released and the trade is finished. So now you can just head over to your wallet and transfer the funds from your funding wallet to your spot wallet, so that you can be able to use it and buy any other crypto. So guys, as you can see here, it says funding. You can just click on it and click on transfer here, and then now you send it from funding. You just click on max, transfer it from funding to spot, click on confirm transfer, and that's all. So now the funds has been transferred to your spot wallet. As you can see here is it in my spot wallet. So guys, that will be all for the video today. Please do not forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, so that each time I drop a video you'll be the first to see it. And if you are looking for a way to make some passive income online, a video to that is in the description below. A legit mining platform that has been around since 2015, and I've been using it for a while now, and I've made some good cash from there. So guys, if you're looking for a way to make money online, you can just check in the description below. The link to the platform, the link to the video is in the description below. Watch it and start earning. So guys, see you next time.